Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Cash App account in 2025. So this is going to be a Cash App sign up tutorial for 2025. So to create a Cash App account, you'll have to first of all download the Cash application from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Also, you can download it directly to your mobile device through these channels. Now, creating an account requires the first step to be tapping on Cash App to launch it. After launching, to create an account, enter your phone number or an email address on the first page. So you will see a page that will look something like this. You'll have to enter your phone number or an email address. Then Cash App will send you a secret code via text or email. So just copy that code and enter it in this field just right here. Also, you can invite friends to sign up with Cash App to earn cash. This is an optional step. Now, you'll have to enter your debit card info to link your bank account to Cash App. You can also pick $cashtag, that is a unique username you will use to send and receive money. So on the next step, you can enter your zip code. Then on the next step, you can choose a cash tag. Then you can add your bank using your debit card number. So enter your debit card number, click on next, and you would have successfully signed up on the Cash App. So that is the simple way through which you can create a Cash App account in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.